Hi, you are watching Pick to Future channel, and I'm so glad to be with you guys. After talking about system and the definition of ecosystem in previous video, it's time to talk about IT. The technology world can be considered just like an ecosystem. Digital technology and its tools, as one of the subsets of the world of technology, have built a digital ecosystem. They help each other in some cases, sometimes they interfere with each other, and sometimes some technologies fail to compete with other technologies. But there is still an important point: the power of each tool in a relationship with other tools and positions in the ecosystem of technology. Some of the basic concepts that can be used to understand the digital ecosystem and enhance technology literacy are as follows. What is IT? When we are talking about IT or information technology, what do we mention exactly? The concept of data and database. If we do not deeply understand the concept of data, metadata, information, or databases, we can never have a good understanding of digital technology. Data is like blood that moves in the body of the digital world and allows it to live and grow. The concept of network and the internet. The distributed connection between a number of computers or humans. Storage and storing of digital information. Methods and options available for store and storing digital information. The concept of Internet of Things (IoT) as a new model of networking that is growing in the world. Web, Web 2, Web 3, and Web 4. Although today Web 2 is very common and we have many theories about Web 3 and Web 4, but many web users don't understand and use all Web 2 capabilities. Programming basics. It may be strange to you why the basics of programming in many parts of the world are being discussed as one of the most important parts of digital literacy, and the schools encouraging students to learn it. Remember this: not everyone is going to be a programmer, but in a world where developers have built it, getting to know the basics of the programming gives us a smoother, more structured mindset and a kind of better intelligence to understand the digital world. The value of this achievement is far beyond imagination. New digital communication infrastructure. Softwares such as Facebook Messenger and WhatsApp and technologies such as MVN, mobile virtual networks are just some examples. Big data, which is a technology development achievement as well as its driving engine and the motivation of companies and governments to support technology development. Classification of citizens of the digital world includes people's birthplace in the digital world's visitors and immigrants to the digital world. Digital security. Although much time has passed from Maslow's classification of needs, nowadays there are many criticisms of him and his words. But still, security is the most important concern of man. Living in the glassy world, although it has reduced or eliminated a lot of our costs, has imposed other costs on us. Its reduction in security is part of it. Technology literacy cannot be assumed without comprehension of the concept of digital security. Okay, now let's talk about IT. IT, usually referred to as an abbreviation for the name of information technology, is a term nowadays added to the dictionary from the specialist language. In the case of information technology, as in many terms of management and technology, the use of words is easier than defining it. However, if we do not have a clear and efficient image of information technology, there is the risk of drowning among the massive amounts of tools and technologies and solutions that are being added to our world every day and every moment, and we could not use IT properly in our lives and businesses. George Reynolds defines information technology as: information technology includes all the tools and methods that receive, store, process, exchange, and use information. The keywords in the Reynolds definition of IT are as follows: capture, store, process, exchange, use. So, if you work with one of the five cases above, you can say that you are dealing with information technology. Information technology is the use of computers and other technologies for working with information. Here, any technology, including any kind of device or technique, is considered. In general, information technology is mistakenly misunderstood with work with information only through computers and communications and related products. It should be noted that the term technology refers to the study of how to use human creation to achieve goals and purposes such as the provisions of products and services. term does not refer to man creation alone. Difference in information technology and computer science. What does it mean? First, computer science professionals tend to build and generalize technology, while information technology is interested in applying technology to solve real problems. Second, computer science experts focus on computers themselves and how they work, while information technicians look at computers as tools for solving problems. Third, information technology requires technology, while computer science experts produce the technology they need. This definition, albeit scientifically, is also used and cited in most resources. But if you want to look at the IT field from the perspective of a manager, there are also more useful divisions. In an article published in the Harvard Business Review in 2006, Andrew McCarthy proposed to divide information technology into three main areas. This division was later used in other books, for example, Information Technology for Managers, and it can be said today that one of the accepted attitudes is considered. First, in IT as independent tasks and activities, function IT. We use information technology in a well-defined task and activity. Setting up a computer to create an Excel file or statistical analysis of a set of information are all in the function IT field. Second, in IT as the networking tool, network IT is used to communicate. So someone who is an administrator of the software network or someone who has set up the blog or even a company that provides the platform for sending and receiving emails, they can all be found in the network IT section. Third, in IT as enterprise tool, enterprise IT is specifically used as an alternative to business processes or complementary to them. Accounting software, warehouse management, HR manager, and customer relationship management can be put into this group. Perhaps at first glance, the use of this category is not so clear, but in the upcoming lessons, we will see that if one wants to become an expert in IT or a good analyst in this field, this kind of attitude can be very workable for you, and it will greatly facilitate the way of thinking, analysis, and learning. So far, we have talked about IT. In the next video, we will define the technology literacy and its subsets. We are glad to be with you, and please wait for our next video. If you see this video useful, you can share it and subscribe to our channel, and please send us your feedback via comments or email. Thanks guys.